welcome back to my channel. Today we're making fudgy brownies. So let's get started. For this we'll need 150 grams of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of cocoa powder, half cup of plain flour, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. First we need to melt butter and sugar in the microwave for about 2 minutes. But we need to take it out after every 30 seconds, mix it and put it back for another 30 seconds. You can also melt this in a double boiler. Once it's completely melted, we'll add oil, vanilla essence and salt and then mix it. Now in a separate bowl, add cocoa powder and plain flour and then mix it well. To this we'll add our melted butter and sugar mixture. Two beaten eggs. And then we'll mix it all together. Now we'll pour this batter in a baking pan lined with baking paper. We'll preheat the oven at 160 degrees Celsius and then bake this for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's done, take it out and let it cool for a few minutes and then cut into small pieces. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day and like always, thanks for watching.